G'day viewers, this is Troy from the Troy's Visual Arts channel. I've made significant progress today with my 902 2-inch green screen TV project. Here, as seen here, I've now put the valve sockets in and put the valves in. The valves are in temporarily at the moment just for show. Anyway, yeah, I just drilled 7 holes in the top of the chassis and I pop ribbeted the valve sockets in, and the valves are sitting in as seen. And here's where the 2-inch 902 tube's going to be situated, well, roughly anyhow. It'll be pretty much in the centre and probably raised up about yay height, and yeah, mounted in with mounts. It'd be kind of similar to how my friend John Hunter of Cool 386 website has made his 2-inch TV. But as mentioned, the transformer won't be on the back of the TV. It'll be the AC power unit I use for my Freebie P1 MBTV television set that I've got inside. Oh yeah, also I've drilled the front of the enclosure, chassis enclosure. Yeah, this chassis is actually in 2 separate pieces. You've got the cover and you've got the bottom bits. Anyway, the large hole here is for the speaker. I'm going to be pretty much epoxying the speaker onto the behind here, and yeah, when I put the front cover over, it'll have a grill, of course, to give it the neat look. Just trying to think where I put the speaker. It's around here somewhere. Okay, yeah, I'm just using a standard 8 ohm half-watt speaker that you'd see practically everywhere. And yeah, it's going to be situated like so. I'm going to pretty much, sort of thinking perhaps I'll epoxy it on there rather than bolt it on with bolts and washers and the like. Sort of mean protruding nuts at the front. I don't particularly want that. I've also drilled 4 holes in the sides because that's where the potentiometers are going to go. So as seen, the potentiometers are going to go in those 4 holes. And when I put the front plate on, I'm going to be drilling another further 2 holes in the top to put potentiometers at the top as depicted in John Hunter's 2-inch TV. Anyway, so yeah, that's the valves on the chassis. I'll take them off soon so I don't bump them and break them. And that's the underside, and yeah, I'll be doing all the wiring and get a look of something in similar nature to the underside of John's TV. So all the components be underneath there, point-to-point wiring. Perhaps I might use a bit of Vero board for smaller components, I don't know. Haven't decided that yet. Yeah, the situation of the valves, I sort of decided to just copy off how John's done it. I'm not sure exactly which valve's going to go where. Well, I sort of have. I've got the 6N3 rectifier valve, I think that's what it is, situated there. I've got the audio valve situated there, and I've got I decided to get the height and the width valves, which are 6BH6s, over here. The audio valve's a 6AB8, by the way, and the other 3 valves are for the first video, second video, and sync amp. So the first amp is the 6BH6 valve, which is the same as the valves over here. The second amplifier is a 6AK6, and the sync amp is a 6AK5. So yeah, we'll see how that works out. I figured, yeah, bunch these 3 together and bunch those 2 together, and that will probably work out all right. Otherwise I'll just swap them around and see which works better in terms of space accommodation. But I'm pretty sure I've got a reasonable amount of space in here to mount all my components. Anyway, that's pretty much about it. That's the progress I've made for today. I may do a little bit more, or I probably might just call it a night and do some indoor activities. Anyway, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for my next video when I made some progress with this 2-inch TV. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.